Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen. Today I'll be showing you one of the indicator which generates automatic buy sell signal and has a very good accuracy. Okay, let's go to the indicator section and type channel LR exit. As I have marked it as favorite, it is showing it for me. You guys can copy the name and type it in your system. This is the name, channel LR exit. Press the indicator. Okay, then go to the indicator settings, uncheck everything except buy label and sell label. Then go to the inputs and uncheck the second one. Use close price for extremes. Okay. And change your candlestick pattern for Heiken from candles to Heiken. That's all guys. The setup is complete now. As you guys can see, once it has given a sell, the market has fell very beautifully. Okay. Initially in sideways, we'll be having a little stop loss, except that it is working really good, guys. Just look how well it was performed on 3rd of August. Okay, see the entry has given in the top itself. Okay, it's this is not a lagging indicator. You guys can see that sell was given almost in the top only. Okay, once the sell was triggered, the market fell for the whole day. Okay, it's a very good fall. And also you can see once it was a buy signal, the market was able to give a good rally to the upside. See, once the sell has given, again the market has fell very beautiful. So this is a very good indicator, guys. And you can also do scalping also using this indicator. So do check out this indicator and let me know in the comment section, was it helpful for you? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.